Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use McDonald's app to place your drive-thru order. This can save time, help you customize your meal, and even apply app exclusive deals before you reach the window. Alright, so start by downloading McDonald's app from Google Play or Apple Store, and then open up the app and log in. So you go to More, My Account, and let us log in. Alright, so I'm inside my account, and now we can begin. So firstly, we need to find what we wish to order. So for example, let us choose something, say this MC or Mac Crispy. And for example, if you want the drive-thru, you choose restaurant, and then you filter by drive-thru in here, as you can see. So for example, I chose Island. Let us choose this place number 5. Right, and then let's choose the Waterford McDonald's. And now you just get the direction like this. So you can just use your car and actually get there. So there's our place, there's our Mac. And then guys, you just customize your order. You can tap the item to customize, so whatever you find. You can remove pickles, extra cheese, change size, and when finished, tap add to bag. So in here is gonna be your order. As you can see, I just added 2 items, and now you're ready to check out. And once all items are in your bag, tap view bag and check that everything is correct, and then press on checkout. Choose the payment method and proceed to paying. And then select the drive-thru as your pickup option. Follow the instructions to enter the drive-thru lane, and the app may give you a unique order number or QR code to show at the window. Then you drive up to the window, show the app if required, and pick your order and enjoy your meal without waiting in line. That's it. Using McDonald's app for drive-thru orders is quick, easy, and perfect for busy days. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe, and comment your favorite McDonald's menu item. See you soon.